Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook lion's mane mushroom. First, let's get it ready. Begin by gently cleaning your lion's mane mushroom with a slightly damp cloth, carefully wiping away any dirt or debris. Next, you'll want to prepare it for cooking. You can either tear it into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces or slice it. Aim for uniform sizes to ensure everything cooks evenly and achieves that perfect texture. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's get cooking. For fantastic texture, sautéing is key. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your preferred oil or butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add your prepared lion's mane pieces to the pan. Cook them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes on each side, allowing them to develop a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy exterior. This step is crucial for bringing out its unique, savory flavor. Once your lion's mane is beautifully browned, it's time to add some flavor. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder to enhance its natural taste. For an extra aromatic touch, you might consider tossing in some fresh herbs, such as a sprig of thyme or a few rosemary leaves. Continue cooking for just 1 to 2 more minutes, allowing all those wonderful seasonings to meld together perfectly. Your delicious lion's mane mushroom is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately as a delightful side dish, or make it the star of your meal. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of accompaniments, such as a hearty pasta, fluffy rice, or a medley of roasted vegetables. Savor the unique, slightly crab-like texture and its rich, savory flavor. This versatile mushroom is a fantastic addition to any culinary repertoire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.